I love that joint. You can name it. Who's that? It was Shirley.
Yeah.
Pastor Shirley Caesar.
But yeah, definitely. Angelo's got my personal opinion.
Tell your mom, tell your pop.
Second is Tacos.
She's on the block and it's hot. It's your CJ.
I'm really
Poetica
showing that I'm
bag.
just a complete fatty right now because not only do I know about the places, I'm letting you know where they're at. I know exactly where they are. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna give you the hours. like you think I work there? Like,
If you tuned into WJYN FM in the AM,
yeah, I guess
this is Beats and Eats with your queen of singing, y'all. Me, Poetica Bag, you name it. We got Sling Raw for y'all. That's right. Stay tuned in. Stay